Here, welcome to tonight's lightning ball draw. Today, some idiotic motherfuckers got me out of here. You know for a fact what the numbers are. First ball out, number 40. Second ball out, number 55. There was a fucking grasshopper here. Third ball out, number 25. Fourth ball out, number 63. Excuse my language today. Fifth ball out, number 34. Sixth and final number is number 7, lucky number. And the lightning ball is 47. Those numbers again in ascending order are 7, 25, 34, 40, 55 and 63. And the lightning ball is 47. That was tonight's lightning ball draw. I'll see you in a minute for tonight's daily lesson and bingo draw. Bye for now. Oh yeah, and excuse my language for all the things I just said.